Hey guys, this is Reggie, and today is Saturday morning, and I just want to document, this is my front yard. So, neighbors don't complain too much because it doesn't look like this is very long, just enough to get the job done, and then I put everything away. But if you wonder what you're looking at, I just want to say a quick little video on, short video on what a Saturday is like for me. And usually I'm doing appliance videos, but today I'm just going to document the hustle and how Saturday will set me up for the rest of the week. So let's start off with the appliance hustle. Let's start with this. Start with the cars. All right. So I have a Turo business. Turo, if you don't know what Turo is, it's like Airbnb for cars. We rent out your vehicle to people. So the van has been out twice, and now I'm just shampooing it. I haven't had a chance to shampoo it since I started renting it, and it still had my kids, who are now 7 and 9 years old, stains in it from when they were babies. So shampooed it, and of course I can't just shampoo my car, gotta shampoo the missus vehicle. So didn't really need it because it's a relatively new vehicle, but did the front mats, vacuumed it, but you know, that looking good for her. That's a must. And so I'm gonna do my mats too. And as I was doing this, I got a call or a text through Facebook Marketplace. Somebody wanted to buy a set, so now I'm going to do a set delivery. So these babies are going. I don't remember the origin of them. I know this one I had sold, and the customer, I've been getting a lot of these customers just leaving town or whatever, moving to a new house, and just want me to come remove the machines that that I sold them. So got that one for free. This one I don't remember, but we're selling them locally, so the place is only 10 minutes away, so that's definitely a blessing, so I can come back and get back to work. Excuse my yard, I'm building a little drainage ditch here. And so next we're going to do, after finishing cleaning the Turo ride out, my other Turo vehicle is a Toyota Prius, and that one is out. So this is a side yard storage place, and here underneath that tarp is about 6 machines that need to be reconditioned, so I'm going to get to those today too. So that's my Saturday, man. Just flipping, getting it done with the Turo vehicle, appliance sales, and getting a batch ready for sale for next week. That's how we do it. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. Please like, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any, and share your hustles, your Saturday hustles in the comment section. And hopefully this bad boy be next. This is the one I got from my neighbor in a previous video that we fixed with Uncle Pedro. So all right, see you in the next video. This is Reggie with, I don't know, I should call this like front yard hustles or something. That would be a good name, because I'm not really, just independent front yard hustles. We got stuff just going on, man. See you in the next video. So if you want to learn how to do lone wolf independent hustles on your own, extra income or for a primary income, don't forget to like, subscribe to my page. I do share all my information on appliance flipping. Also do have a channel on Turo on a different channel, but I'll put that link in the description too. But yeah, this is how we do it, man. Saturday morning, you put in this with some sweat equity. So see you in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check my channel out for stuff on flipping appliances out of your front yard, out of your garage. That's how we do it, man. You don't need to go out there and pay, get a $10,000 a month lease. I mean, it's good once you grow to that point, but sometimes being mom and pop pays the bills too, and then some.